friends! Welcome back to Daisy's Animal Facts. I'm Daisy, and I'm so glad you're here today because we're about to go on an amazing animal adventure. We're heading all the way to the wild, wonderful land of Australia to learn about one of its most famous and fascinating animals, the kangaroo. These incredible creatures are full of surprises, and I can't wait to hop into the world of kangaroos with you. So grab your explorer hat and your biggest bounce, and let's go! Kangaroos are only found in one part of the world, Australia. That's right. If you want to see kangaroos living in the wild, you'll have to travel to the other side of the earth. Australia is full of open spaces, grasslands, and bushy forests. And kangaroos love to roam these areas with their friends and families. Kangaroos are marsupials, which means the mothers carry and raise their babies in a pouch on their belly. The pouch is soft, warm, and snug, and it's where the baby, called a joey, lives while it grows. When a joey is born, it's smaller than a jelly bean, and it crawls all the way into the pouch to keep developing. It's like having a tiny nursery that mom carries around all the time. There are four main types of kangaroos: the red kangaroo, the eastern gray kangaroo, the western gray kangaroo, and the Antilopian kangaroo. Each one lives in a different part of Australia, and they each have their own special look. The red kangaroo is the largest. It can grow over 6 feet tall and weighs as much as a grown-up person. That's a lot of kangaroo. Kangaroos don't walk like other animals. Instead, they hop. Their strong back legs and giant feet are made for bouncing, and their long, muscular tails help them balance as they go. When kangaroos hop quickly, they can travel up to 35 miles per hour. That's as fast as a car in the city. And with each hop, they can leap over 25 feet. That's longer than a school bus. And their tails, those aren't just for looks. Kangaroo tails are thick and strong. When they're moving slowly or standing still, kangaroos use their tails like a third leg. They can even lean back on them to kick with both feet. That's some serious tail power. Now let's talk about those adorable babies again. Joeys spend months growing inside their mother's pouch. While they're inside, they drink milk and stay safe from the world outside. As they grow, they peek out and eventually start hopping in and out of the pouch. It's like they have their own little safe space to rest between playtimes. Kangaroos live in groups called mobs. A mob usually has about 10 kangaroos, but sometimes there are more. Living in a group helps them stay safe from danger. When one kangaroo senses a threat, like a dingo or an eagle, it alerts the rest of the group, and they all bounce away together. Kangaroos have amazing senses to help them stay safe. Their big eyes are perfect for spotting danger from far away. And their ears can move in different directions to catch sounds coming from all sides. That means they can hear a sneaky predator before it even gets close. You might think kangaroos are peaceful animals, but sometimes the males, called boomers, get into fights. They stand up tall, balance on their tails, and use their strong front legs to box with each other. They also kick with their powerful feet. These battles are usually to win the attention of female kangaroos or to become the leader of the mob. Don't worry though, they usually don't hurt each other too badly. Did you know kangaroos can't walk backward? It's true. That's one reason they're on Australia's coat of arms. The emu, another Australian animal, can't walk backward either. And together they stand for always moving forward. Kangaroos are herbivores, which means they only eat plants. Their favorite meals are grasses, leaves, and shrubs. They graze in open fields, munching quietly and slowly as they move. Their front teeth are perfect for clipping grass. And their back teeth grind it all up so it's easy to digest. Even though Australia can get really hot and dry, kangaroos have ways to beat the heat. One of the strangest is that they lick their forearms. That might sound gross, but it actually helps them stay cool when the saliva on their arms evaporates. It cools their blood, which cools their whole body. It's like a built-in air conditioner. Kangaroos also get most of their water from the plants they eat, which means they can go for weeks without needing to drink. That's super helpful in parts of Australia where water can be hard to find. Now here's a fact that will blow your mind. Kangaroo moms can pause a pregnancy if a mother already has a joey in her pouch and another baby starts growing. She can pause the second baby until the pouch is free. This is called embryonic diapause. And it lets the mom wait until the perfect time to give birth. Sometimes, a mother kangaroo has 3 babies in different stages at the same time. One that's paused, one tiny joey in the pouch, and one that's bigger and hopping around. The mom even makes different kinds of milk for each baby. Depending on their age, that's some serious multitasking. Kangaroos play an important role in their environment. As they move and eat, they help keep grasslands healthy by trimming plants and spreading seeds. They support other animals and help the land grow. Kangaroos are also excellent swimmers. If they need to escape danger or cross a river, they jump right in. Their powerful legs help them paddle, and they can swim quite well, sometimes. If they're being chased by a predator, they'll head for water to defend themselves. Where they have the advantage. Even though there are lots of kangaroos in Australia, scientists and conservationists still work to make sure they're safe. Sometimes, kangaroo habitats are affected by things like farming or construction. So people study their behavior to learn how to protect them. Kangaroos are a symbol of Australia, and many people love and care for them. And did you know that kangaroos communicate with each other in all sorts of ways? They use thumps, clicks, grunts, and even sneezes to signal danger or talk to their joeys. They also use body language to show how they're feeling or to challenge another kangaroo. Kangaroos mostly move at night or in the early morning and evening when it's cooler. During the hot part of the day, they rest in the shade under trees or bushes. They're smart about saving energy and staying out of the sun. Let's wrap up our amazing kangaroo adventure with one last fun fact. Kangaroo fossils have been found that show some ancient kangaroos used to live in trees. Those kangaroos are extinct now. But it just goes to show how wild and wonderful the kangaroo family really is. Wow! Kangaroos are truly amazing animals, from their super-powered legs and balancing tails to their cozy pouches and clever survival tricks. They're full of surprises. I hope you had as much fun as I did exploring the world of kangaroos today. Thanks for watching Daisy's Animal Facts. If you like learning about kangaroos, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome animal adventures, and tell your friends what you learned today. Until next time, keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop being curious. Bye for now, friends!